What's up, guys? Today is December 26th of 2013. Hold on just a second. Okay. First of all, Merry Belated Christmas to all of my subscribers and everyone out there. I apologize for not making a video yesterday, but we had a family party going on all day, and very busy. So I was so tired after the party. I was thinking about doing something like this, but I decided to wait till today. So today I'm going to be making up for that. So I'm just going to be doing a panel test. Here's the devices I got. I've got one of my Wheelock Exceder horn strobes, one of my Wheelock WMT-24 strobes, and my one of my NBG-12LO pull stations. This is the one I've usually got hooked up. All three of these devices came from the recent replacement at Dad's building. Other than that, everything else is the same. I can tell you guys, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, I did disconnect the piezo buzzer in the annunciator panel that I had put in, because at this point I was just getting very tired of hearing it. I'll say that. So anyway, the other part about this test that's kind of special is this is a 2-camera test. The camera that I'm currently holding now is my brand new Samsung Galaxy S3. Just got it for Christmas. It's a great phone. It's a big improvement from the other phone that I had, and supposedly this thing uploads in 1080p, which is pretty awesome. So, but because of the video, because of the other camera that I'm going to be using, it's probably going to only upload in like 720, but I'm not sure. Is the other camera that I'm going to be using? It's a Fujifilm AX300. I have used this 2 other times. I've used this the last time I used this for YouTube was back in 2011, I believe, to film the elevators at the DuPage Convalescent Center. So if you guys go to my channel and search Dover Impulse and Otis Traction Elevators at the DuPage Convalescent Center, the videos from there I took on this camera. So, yeah, except during that time I only had the quality on that thing set on 480, but this time I've got it set on 720 since I've got a better computer than I used to. So, also I've got the flash on the Galaxy. So, anyway, I've got the AX300 on a tripod. So it's just going to be pointing at this area, and so this way we'll be able to have 2 separate kind of like views of everything that's going on. So anyway, that's pretty much all I've got to say. The Exceder I've got set on continuous, and the panel is going to be coding it to code 3. So with that said, let's go ahead and pull the NBG-12LO. Alright, let's go ahead and reset the NBG-12L. Again, this is the one that doesn't have a key lock, so it's pretty easy. Reset the system. So yeah. watch all that reset. Okay. Thanks for watching, and you know what? I think for the heck of it, I'm gonna give you guys a bit of an extra. I'm gonna go ahead and put the system into walk test. Which one of these? I know it's one of these two. That's the disconnect switch. We're gonna go ahead and put the system onto walk test for you guys, and we're gonna do a quick walk test here. Okay. There you guys go. So, thanks for watching, and, I'm not sure, like, when this is gonna be, but, I did get a new device. I'm not sure, I bought it off eBay, or actually, I got it from my mom. She said I could buy it off eBay for Christmas. That's part of my Christmas gift from her. So, I'm not sure when it's going to be coming, because the guy has not shipped it yet. But if it's like not here by New Year's, then I will make something. I'll make a test of it afterwards. So anyway, Merry Christmas. Again, I'm sorry I was not able to make this yesterday, but anyway. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.